swap for the K20A3 swap. I don't know what's in all of the boxes. Some of them are open because they were accidentally sent to my sponsor instead of me. But I figured why not show you guys a quick video of unboxing of these starter parts for the K swap. Right off the bat, this one is a Hasport box. Hasport has amazing mounts. Loved Brian. He basically cornered the very niche customer base of Honda swaps and motor mounts, and super cool because he makes them all in-house, and he kind of designed them for his own swaps and then started offering them for other people to do swaps in their Hondas. First little baby mount. Shine it, shine it. Oh, that's awesome. It even comes with the nuts and bolts for the brackets and mounts for your engine bay. That's really cool. They're so pretty. Sweet. Brackets, mounts, should be everything I need to hold the engine in the actual bay. Also, Hasport, they have a YouTube, VTech Academy. U-Wrench TV, which is my sponsor, has done a few videos with them. I did one video with VTech Academy. I technically wasn't really in it. I was their camera car. I did their B-roll in the wagon for their Falcon Tire shootout at Musselman. That was cool. But check out VTech Academy. They have very educational videos and they have a ton of fun. So why not watch it? Moving on. Obviously, this is flywheel. One of the most important parts of these packages. Magnet. Don't really have to unbox the flywheel. Know what it looks like, but might as well get my eyes on it just to make sure. Flywheel. Purdy. I'm probably gonna butcher the name. Jack Spania Racing. Cool little sticker. Still can't pronounce it. Okay. Looks like this is mainly harness stuff, all wiring stuff. Oh, and that's awesome. It's actually labeled. So H2O, oil, some other labels hidden in there. Map, VSS is hidden, but it's really cool that they actually label that all for you. Makes wiring easier. In the same box, fuel rail also came with bolts and everything to make it work. Bubble wrap, braided fuel lines, and fittings. And last but not least, fuel pressure regulator and its little components. Oh, and a gauge, fuel pressure gauge. Would you look at that? I don't think I've ever had any sort of extra gauges besides my cluster. It is the Hush Performance cable to hydro conversion kit. I actually have that in my wagon for the B swap. I believe it was a used one. It was the third version. So this is also version 3. I guess it's the most recent, but they've probably done a couple of updates to it. But really cool thing about Hush, just like Hasport, they put labels on most of their parts and stuff, so when you're looking at an engine bay you can see who made it and everything. I already know that it's a good conversion kit because I use it in my wagon currently with my V series. I expect nothing but good things. That goes through the firewall, which is why it has this little guy. Nuts and bolts. Hush sent a cord shifter that's been modified to be used in an EF K-swap, so pretty cool. And last but not least, a bracket. And they sent me a little Hush Performance keychain, which I'm sure they sent everybody. Again, most important part, another magnet. They found the perfect box for this. Clutch kit. I am doing a 5-speed in my K20A3. I don't need more than that. 5 is good enough. But obviously this comes with the pressure plate, clutch disc, release bearing, pilot bushing bearing, and then an alignment tool. It's a Rhino. So this looks like it's the Hush Performance radiator mount kit that all entails. The cool thing about Hush Performance is that it kind of gives you the lay of the land instructions, and it also gives you a little list of tools needed and everything. So thank you, Hush, for that. It's really cool. It's so pretty. Two of those guys, bolts, and looks like some other little rubber bushings and stuff. Radiator! And look at the fins! I've never seen such a nice radiator before. Meaning, I've never seen a new radiator before. And I believe these should be axles. The only bad thing about the magnets is you get a lot of repeats. Axle 1, Axle 2. Looks like they are from different companies. One is Top Notch, the other one is CarQuest. Shouldn't matter, but they are from different companies. So, oh hey! Oh, that's cool. That's it for this unboxing video. Got some of the beginning parts of the swap. We'll have to buy more as I start doing the swap, but for the most part I have what I basically need. Because it's an EF and it's getting a K-Series motor, which didn't come in the EFs, might have to do a little bit of fabrication and buy some other parts. But since the K-Series has been swapped into EFs multiple times before, there is a lot more conversion kits and mounts and other things like that. So if there is any parts I run into that I might need, it most likely will be a lot easier to find it than it was a decade or so ago. So that's the cool thing about that, as well as some people are switching from K, some people are going to L, which I know that Hasport is working on mounts for that or has already produced the mounts for that, I don't remember. Since people are moving from K-Series to L, just like people move from D to B and B to K, there might be even more parts available now because people are making that transition, which is what I'm hoping for because I would like the K-Series parts. Bring them all to me. That's it for now, and hopefully I can start making headway on that K-Series swap soon. Thanks for watching.